Meaning of interior decorator.
Interior decorator.
Interior decorator.
Interior decorator.
Interior decorator. An interior decorator is a professional who specializes in designing and decorating the interiors of homes, offices, and other indoor spaces. They apply their knowledge of color, texture, lighting, furniture, and accessories to create functional and aesthetically pleasing living or working spaces that meet their clients' needs and preferences. Interior decorators work with clients to determine their style preferences and budget, and then they create a design plan and oversee the implementation of that plan. They may also advise clients on design trends, help them select appropriate materials, and coordinate with contractors and other professionals involved in the project.